So I'm going to be making slime today with my granny here. Say hey, Granny.
I'm going to try to make slime.
So first we need
My first time.
Yeah, her first time. I'm going to try to put this in the hot water or the warm water. Get out.
It was hot.
But we top. So, okay, so you need that. And she is going to be making fluffy slime, and I'm going to be making butter slime. So she's going to have a shorter process, but because I've made fluffy slime too much on my channel. So.
Don't you need to stir that?
Yes, I do. My mixer is over here. I need the rag. And we have a wet rag to clean up any excess of anything and everything. And we also made a YouTube video showing you how to make oobleck. And then I made a video saying that I was going to leave it overnight. And of course, what happened to it, I'm not going to make a video about it because I'm just going to tell you in this video. It just hardened up and I broke it up and threw it away. So, yeah, so you just want to keep mixing that until it dissolves. Or most of it dissolves anyways. Now, you want to have a bowl. Bowls. And mixing tool. Can be a toothbrush, a brush.
I think I've got a see-through bowl. You want me to get a see-through bowl?
Sure. I made a smaller bowl because I don't want a big batch. I'm going to use a bigger bowl. The one I've been using.
Big enough?
Yeah. That's about the size of mine. Almost. And so, we're going to put the glue in. And so, when I snap my fingers, we will be back. Okay, I was just kidding, but... Okay, so when I really snap my fingers, we'll be back. Okay, and we're back, and the glue is in our bowls, as you can see. Sure, you can see. Oh, there, you can see our bowls now. And so now what you need is you need shaving cream. I need...
Tell me how much.
That's enough. And I need, hold on. I need 8 pumps of foaming soap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 or 9 pumps. My color is going to be blue, by the way. What color are you going to choose? Out of green or yellow?
What do you want me to put?
It don't matter. You can choose green or yellow. I'm making blue, but there's fine.
Who is that? I guess that's yellow.
Yeah, that's yellow. She's going to be making green. You don't have to put it in now. You just leave it up here until we start. Okay, so I need lotion. And she needs foaming soap. You need to put about
How much?
like 3 squirts. But you can start mixing it in there. So.
Stir it
Like
down.
just, no, don't stir it, just put it down there near your glue. And I need this. I need about 8 on there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pumps of lotion, and then I need.
I don't need any lotion.
You need lotion now.
How much?
10 squirts.
10.
It don't matter about that little thing. You can just rub it on your hand. It's lotion. Okay, so now I need some shaving cream. And she needs some baby powder. Just like 1 squirt.
1 squirt?
Yeah. And you need, and I need to mix with borax. And she needs to mix with borax.
About the same amount?
Just a little bit, not a lot. Did I put in there? Could you have a little bit? Yeah.
And I mix them with an old toothbrush.
I think I need more glue. Good.
What kind of slime am I making now?
You're making fluffy slime. I'm making butter slime. So she's gonna be finished before me.
Do I need anything else?
You need more borax, or
No,
you need to. You don't need more borax. You just need to get it off the sides and stick it onto that. Well, before you do that, you need to add your color, and then you need to do that. And I just need to keep mixing mine until mine's slime. Oh, so I need to add more. I can add my coloring right now or later. I want to add it later because and we're gonna see whose is better. And then we're gonna go on my live and we're gonna make slime too. But we're both gonna make fluffy slime on there. Maybe, I don't know.
I need to squeeze mine down on.
Mine's a lot.
I should have added my color a little bit earlier.
You can just mix it in together, like with your hands once it stops being sticky, and you won't need it. Just play with it really fast, and then it won't stick to you.
Like that.
Like, go like this and fold it. Not fold it, yeah.
My first time making slime.
And you made a pretty good slime, yeah. Mine's still going, because this is bigger than her slime, so. You don't add the color till like the end, so I mean. Okay, slime's almost done. Well, not really. The slime's like almost created, and then you gotta do more stuff to it.
You put color in yours.
You gotta wait. Well, I gotta wait Because you didn't watch me, remember, you didn't watch me make butter slime, so you don't know how it went. But you get to this time. Okay, now there's your slime. So basically it's just fluffy slime right now. But I mean, I made it in a different way. So, now after you do that, I need a bigger bowl. Oh, that has water in it. You need a bigger bowl, and you need to put cornstarch in it, and then you need to, you need to put more amount of it. Then you have that, and then you need to take up all the cornstarch in there. And then you need to do something else, and then you need to keep doing that and blah, blah, blah. So I'm just going to dry this bowl out because it has water in it. Now, I have to put something dry in it with no water. So, oh my god. Look what just happened to me. You might need more borax on this. You need more borax, so we're gonna wait.
What kind of slime did you say I made?
Fluffy slime.
Yeah.
You made the marshmallow slime.
Well, that's kind of what it feels like, the marshmallow.
This one looks like a marshmallow. We basically made the same slime, but I made it differently. Because what I have to do next, but it's sticking to my hand, so I can't do what I'm about to do next. So I need that bowl right there. To get all this off. I think he said something just bit his hook off.
Hmm?
I think he said something just bit his hook off. What he said?
Probably a turtle.
I thought we killed all those turtles.
Hmm?
Thought we killed all those turtles when Daddy Rich was well.
There's plenty of turtles in there.
Okay, now I gotta go wash my hands. And when I'm done with that, I'll be back. I'm back. I added more borax to it and a bunch of stuff. Or just added more borax to it. But now, we're gonna leave the slime in there. And we need some cornstarch. Now, we don't need our borax. Okay, so we need to add some cornstarch to this bowl. And what you're gonna do is you're basically gonna, your slime is gonna...
Is that too much?
No. If it's too much, I can just use the rest of it for another slime. Instead of pouring more in there. My other slime was pretty big, so... Now you just want to shake that out flat, because you don't want to go like that, because it will go everywhere. I've already learned that the hard way, so...
Mm-hmm.
So now you just want to... But you don't want to do that, it's going to fly everywhere. But you want to slowly drop it into there. And then you want to keep getting it. But I would actually recommend you mixing it with a mixing utensil, or you'll get it stuck all over you, so... Just keep mixing it and the cornstarch.
Rose wanted to take some eggs to Rose and I forgot to tell her. She can get them tomorrow when she's down here cleaning that house.
So you basically just, what do you do around here all day?
Well, most of the time sometimes I wash clothes and sit and read or watch TV or cook dinner or whatever. What do y'all want? You want pizza for dinner or you'd rather I cook some vegetables?
Pizza.
I got some peas cooked, I just don't have anything to go with it.
I can tell Yaya that you made some.
Huh?
I can tell Yaya that you're beating her at the slime business. She'll be like, what? I want to make some slime now.
And she didn't make any yet.
But I mean, it looks like she wants to make some because she's always like touching my slimes. So.
Maybe she'll have time this afternoon to make some with you.
Yeah. I want to